Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss the importance of Gaston Bachelard in the field. Early life and education. Gaston Bachelard, born in 1884, emerged as one of the most influential French thinkers of the 20th century. Initially, his academic journey began in the rigorous fields of mathematics and physics, where he was significantly influenced by the revolutionary scientific ideas of Albert Einstein and Werner Heisenberg. The theories of relativity and indeterminacy propounded by these scientists profoundly impacted Bachelard's thought process and laid the foundation for his future intellectual pursuits. Transition to philosophy. Bachelard's immersion in scientific studies led him to the realization that philosophy was a necessary complement to the evolving landscape of contemporary science. This realization propelled him to explore philosophical questions and their intersections with scientific inquiry. His academic career commenced at the University of Dijon, where he lectured on mathematics and physics from 1930 to 1940. During this period, he published The New Scientific Spirit 1934, which represented his efforts to synthesize scientific knowledge with philosophical insights. Academic career. Bachelard's growing interest in the philosophy of science garnered him a prestigious position at the Sorbonne, where he served as a professor of the history and philosophy of science from 1940 to 1954. By the time he arrived in Paris, Bachelard had already authored 13 books and numerous articles, primarily focused on issues related to physics. His work during this period solidified his reputation as a critical thinker who rigorously examined the foundations of scientific knowledge. Philosophy of science. Bachelard's contributions to the philosophy of science were characterized by his investigations into how scientific and humanistic knowledge is formed. He argued that knowledge is not merely the accumulation of facts, but rather a process of overcoming epistemological obstacles in perception, opinion, and reductive thinking. His approach, which he termed multilactical, rejected rigid, preconceived ideas and promoted a flexible, open-minded method of inquiry. This philosophy was exemplified in his seminal work, The Philosophy of No, 1940, where he advocated for a higher rationality or rationality applique. The Philosophy of No. In The Philosophy of No, Bachelard emphasized the importance of maintaining an open and adaptable philosophical stance. He argued against being fixed in finite certitudes, advocating instead for a form of rationality that is informed, conscious, and capable of synthesizing historical revolutions in thought. This approach was not a leap toward irrationality, but a pursuit of a deeper, more comprehensive rationality that acknowledges and incorporates the complexities of human knowledge. Contributions to literature and imagination. Bachelard's intellectual journey extended beyond the realm of science into literary theory and the philosophy of imagination. He explored the dynamic interplay between scientific rationalism and poetic imagination, arguing that creativity must flourish in both domains. His work significantly influenced critical movements such as New Criticism, Structuralism, and Post-Structuralism. Bachelard insisted on the importance of imagination in intellectual discourse, fostering a serious engagement with creative thought processes. Key works and themes. Among Bachelard's key works, The Psychoanalysis of Fire 1938, Earth and Reveries of Will 1948, and The Poetics of Space 1957. These works delve into the intricate relationship between science and poetry, examining how imagistic patterns and mental images shape our understanding of reality. Bachelard's exploration of language and subject-object relationships underscores the interconnectedness of scientific and poetic faculties. Humanist controversy and influence. Bachelard was a central figure in the humanist controversy in France, which involved prominent thinkers like Roland Barthes and Michel Foucault. He introduced the concept of epistemological break, highlighting the discontinuity and indeterminacy in formal thought patterns. Bachelard's work inspired literary critics and scholars, promoting theoretical directions that challenged traditional epistemologies and encouraged a more imaginative approach to intellectual inquiry. Legacy and impact. Gaston Bachelard's legacy is marked by his challenge to traditional epistemology and his efforts to bridge the gap between science and poetry. His speculative approach to science, philosophy, and literature advocated for the primacy of imagination in human knowledge. By promoting a continuous interplay between rational and imaginative faculties, Bachelard left an indelible mark on intellectual thought, encouraging a deeper exploration of the human condition through both scientific inquiry and poetic imagination. So this was our discussion on Gaston Bachelard. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.